Hey everybody, Mortgage Seth here. I hope you and your family are safe and doing well and healthy during this pandemic crisis. I know we're all suffering in different ways. My heart goes out to you. I wanted to let you know I'm here to support you, answer any questions that you have, and give you the support that you need during this confusing time. If there's anything I can do for you, please hit me up, let me know how I can help out. The topic for today is forbearance. I know I've made a couple of videos about this topic and there's been a lot of talk. Things are changing. There's a lot of misinformation out there in the media. The government kind of misstepped and told everybody they could skip their mortgage payments for a certain amount of time, and people went crazy and banks went crazy. They stopped lending with certain programs. They raised interest rates. They did everything they could to try to hedge the risk that this was going to cause with the lenders and servicers. I don't need to get into that in this video, but what I wanted to propose that you think about is, if you're even considering forbearance, think about the negative consequences of that. There's really a negative impact on missing any mortgage payments, whether you're delaying them, whether they're doing a loan modification. This is going to have repercussions down the line, whether it's financially, whether adding more money to your primary mortgage, or if it's on your credit. If they're going to show a history that you didn't make payments, it's not supposed to impact your score, but that could still be considered later if you're trying to purchase or refinance down the line. This could prevent you from doing that. So the alternative that I'd like to talk about today, I'm calling it self-forbearance. So if you're in a position that your credit is decent, that you have a secure job for now, and you just need a little bit of relief, if you want to take a month or two off with no mortgage payments, you can do that through a refinance. When you refinance, you have 1 or 2 months with no mortgage payment. You can restructure the loan in whatever way is best for you, maybe lower your payment and interest rate if you can take advantage of that right now, depending on where you're starting from. But also think about the fact that you can take cash out. If you have equity in the home and you needed to put something in an emergency fund that you actually have access to, now might be the time to do that. If you can do what I'm calling a self-forbearance, you're basically giving yourself a couple months off, taking that cash out, and doing it in a way that's much more responsible by going through a refinance and not missing mortgage payments and having that impact you down the road. Of course, there are some costs involved with refinancing, title fees and those kinds of things, but I can go through all those details with you, see if it makes sense to go back to a 30-year term if you want to reset for the lowest payment, or maybe consider a shorter term, 20 or 15, or whatever, custom term, 22 years, whatever's best for you. Let's talk about what the right payment scenario, and if you need to cash out on some of that equity, pay off some other debts maybe, now's a great time to take advantage of that. So remember, the self-forbearance program is much better than anything you're gonna get from the bank when it comes to the impact on your credit and the probable costs that are involved. So let me know how I can help, what questions you have, post them in the comments, or send me a direct message, call, hit me up on any of the social media, and I'd be happy to help you and discuss your specific scenario. Again, hope all is well. You know, I'm definitely thinking about everybody that's been impacted by this, and if there's anything at all that I can do to help, I'm blessed to be able to keep working through all of this in my business and helping people every day to navigate these confusing times. So again, Mortgage Seth here, Mason McDuffie Mortgage, and let me know how I can help. Thanks. Bye-bye.